Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use JList in Swing application. So JList is a control which allows you to select multiple items, or you can select even a single item also by changing one of the property known as list selection. So guys, in this video, I'm going to take one list box. In that list box, I'm going to add multiple items, and whatever items I'm selecting from the list box, the corresponding details will be shown in my text field. So the idea is like I'm showing ice cream flavors. If I select any ice cream flavor name, then the corresponding price will be shown in my list box. So guys, let's start the video. Okay, so guys, I have started my Eclipse IDE. Now here I will be creating a new project. So file, new Java project, and here you need to provide a project name. So I'm just giving list demo and use project specific JRE, and I'm unchecking this module info and click on next button. Here you don't have to do anything, just click on finish button. So guys, my project is created. Now in this project I will be adding frames. So select SRC and go to this visual classes, swing JFrame. Now give your frame name. So here you can give any frame name. So I'm giving frame name as list frame. And guys, package is optional. I'm providing package name CS corner. You can omit if you don't want, and click on this finish button. Okay, so guys, you can see my frame has been added over here. Now let's click on this design tab, and here first of all I will be selecting this content pane, that is my J panel. So J panel layout I will be changing. So here layout, and I made layout as absolute layout. Now I'm just giving title to my frame. So I've selected frame, and here in title property I'm just giving title. Okay, so list demo, that you can provide suitable title or ice cream flavor or something like that, ice cream order. So now after that I'm going to select my list control. So here is list control. I'm just clicking on it, and guys, remember you have to just select this and you need to drag it downwards, otherwise you won't be getting your list box properly. So just see this how I did. Okay, otherwise you will face issue. So just select and take onto your frame and drag it downwards, right? So now I'm just resizing my frame so that my component should fit properly. But the frame size was big. Now I'm going to take one text field, because whatever item I will select in list box, the corresponding price of that flavor should be displayed in text field. So just select the text field. And that's all guys. Now we have added the component. Now we will go to this list box, and we will add items to this list box. Before that, I'm just making this text field uneditable. So just make this editable property false so that user can't edit it, because we want to display output in text field, right? Now select the list box, and guys, here you can see there is very important property known as model. Using this property you can insert items to your list box. Same property combo box is also having. So just click on this three dots, that is ellipses, and then you can add the item whatever you want. So here I'm adding the item. My first item I will add as select your flavors. So you need to enter item one by one by hitting enter. So whatever flavors you want to add, you can add over here. So I'm just writing select your flavor, and after that I'm giving just 3-4 flavors name. Whatever is your favorite you can insert, or you can design some other application also. This is the way of using list box. So vanilla, mango, chocolate, and butterscotch, I have added four items to this. And guys, you know, whatever item you add, they are assigned what index. So first item will have index 0, that is select the flavor will have what index 0. Then next vanilla will have index 1, and so on. Okay, so models, using that you can add items. Now here is another important property, selection mode. So you can see guys, we have three options: single selection, single interval selection, and multiple interval selection. So single interval, first let me demonstrate single interval. Just select this and I will run my project. So if you make this list selection property single selection, then at a time you can select only one item. So before that I'm just changing font. So now I will run my project and I will show you that how single selection works. So here guys, you can see I'm able to select only one item, right? So single selection. Now we have single interval and multiple interval. So what is single interval? If you want to select contiguous item, okay, one after another, like vanilla, mango, chocolate, 3 continuous item I want to select, then I can go for single interval selection. And multiple interval selection is what? If you don't want to select contiguous item, like there will be what, first item and then fourth item, then you can select that. Now guys, I'm adding event to this, so just select list box, add event handler, and here click on this list selection, right? So I have made list selection property as single selection, because at a time I want to allow user to select one item. Now guys, I will add my code over here. So I have not changed my list box name and text field name. Their name is what, list, and another name that is text field name is what, text field. Now after that guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply select the index, and whatever user have selected, that index I'm going to select, and based on that I'm going to display the message. Okay guys, so let's write code inside value change event. So for list we have value change event. So I'm writing list, that is my list box name, JList name, dot, here I'm going to use a method get selected index, but before that I'm creating index variable, because this get selected index returns me integer value. So int index is equal to list dot get selected index semicolon. So now I'm having index, so whatever item I will select, that item index I will get in index variable, right? So now after that I'm going to write if condition. So if index is 1, then display something. If index is 2, then display something. So index 0 I'm not taking, because that is select your flavor. So if index equal to 1, then in my text box I'm going to display message. So my text box name is what, text field. I haven't changed it, please change it. So text field dot set text, and here I'm writing some message here. So the message what I'm going to type, whatever item I have selected, I'm going to show price of that item. So for getting the item, selected item like mango, vanilla, whatever flavor you have selected, you have to use a method like get selected item. So I'm writing price of, and after that concatenation operator, list dot get selected, and here I'm using one method get selected value. Okay, so it is having two methods. One is get selected values, another is get selected value. So if you write a single selection, then you have to use get selected value. If you use multiple selection, you have to use get selected values. So guys, I'm just printing some of the price. So I have for index 1 I'm giving price 80. Similarly, now I'm going to copy and paste this code, and I'm going to write else if. So if index equal to 2, then I will be changing price. So here if else if index is equal to 2, then in again text box I'm just printing price of, and then I'm writing list dot get selected value and the corresponding price for index 2. And guys, similarly I will copy and paste for index 3 and 4. And for last, or if you don't select any flavor, if you select the first value, then I'm going to print a message that select your flavor in else part. So here is my else part done guys. So my code is done. Now I'm going to quickly execute this code. So let's run this code, and guys, here you can see I'm selecting a particular item and it's showing corresponding price of that item, right? You can see here it's showing me this price of this mango is this, price of vanilla is this, chocolate is this, right? So I hope guys my video has helped you if you wanted to use JList in your application. So simple and important three properties are there. One is get selected index, another is get selected value, another is get selected values. Okay, and important event is value change event. So guys, if you really like my video, do hit on like button. If you have any query, you can put in comment box box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. And guys, you can follow me on my social media. I have given link in my description box. And guys, you can join my Telegram channel. There I'm sharing lots of PDF and notes, that too freely. So thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.